Hello guys, welcome back. I hope that everyone out there is having an amazing day today. If this is your first time stopping by, my name is Theo. Welcome. So for today's video guys, we're actually going to be unboxing the Allure Beauty subscription for the month of December. So if you're interested in seeing what came inside of this month's box, stay tuned. So before we dive into the box, for those of you who aren't familiar with Allure, it is a monthly beauty subscription that's curated by the editors of Allure magazine, where you receive 5 to 6 deluxe and sometimes full-size items each month for $15. And the value of the box is supposed to be anywhere between $50 and $90 each month. Now with that said, let's go ahead and take a look inside of the box. When you receive your box each month, it comes in a box like this with Allure on the front. Now the box is wrapped in clear plastic to hold it together, but I went ahead and took that off for time's sake. So let's open it up. Your box is packaged like this each month. There is a little pamphlet on top there, and then the items are nicely packaged underneath them. Try not to drop them out of there. Okay, and inside of this little pamphlet, just to flip through, it gives you some of the items that are inside of the box. Okay, so let's pull out the first item in here. The first thing I'm seeing is from Christophe Robin, and it's a cleansing purifying scrub with sea salt. And it says, the purifying shampoo is ideal as a detox or post-coloring treatment. Apply on wet hair, massage the scalp, lather, then rinse. So this is actually for your hair. It is a purifying scrub with sea salt for the hair. That sounds interesting. Let me just look real quick inside the pamphlet and see what they say about this in a little bit more detail. This glittering sticky paste that looks like it's made of crushed opals retails for $53. Whoa, that's kind of a lot for something for like a hair product. But anyway, it says yes, $53 for shampoo, but it's no normal shampoo. It uses salt crystals in a conditioning paste that rids the scalp of dead skin and product buildup. So your hair is fuller, more vibrant, and more excellent. Okay, so I guess, you know, it's supposed to get rid of dead skin and stuff that's on your scalp. So I guess it sounds pretty good, but just to be honest, I'll give it a try, but I couldn't tell you that I would pay $53 for something for my hair. Let me smell it and see what it smells like. It almost smells lemony to me. Not a bad smell at all. Let's take a, and it is very, you can feel the salt crystals in there. I know you're not gonna really be able to, maybe I can take, let me see if you can see it on my hand. This is what it looks like, and it definitely has a really coarse grit to it. You can see, you can actually see, I don't know if you guys can see it, like you can see some of the salt crystals on my hand. So I could see how this would be a really good scrub, especially like for the scalp area. I'll definitely give this a try. But like I said, would I repurchase it for $53? It would have to work really, 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 really good. Okay, on to the next item. The next thing I'm pulling out of the box is from First Aid Beauty, and it's an Ultra Repair Face Moisturizer, safe for sensitive skin. So we got a moisturizer. Okay. And it's typical, apply as needed to face throughout the day. Okay, so a moisturizer. Let's see what this retails for. And it retails for $24. And this is a full size, so that's nice. It's a full size. All right. So the next item in the box is a liquid lipstick from Anastasia Beverly Hills. Awesome. And the color on this is Bohemian, and that's what it looks like in the package there. Let's go ahead and pull it out. I'm going to do a swatch of it since I already have lipstick on. I really don't want to take this off. It's going to be all over the place. Oh God, that is so pretty. Look at the packaging. And the color is stunning. Go ahead and give you a quick swatch of that on my hand here. Oh gosh, that is beautiful. Beautiful. I cannot wait to wear that. That color is so pretty. It kind of almost, nope, it's darker than my nails. I was going to say it kind of matches my nails, but it's a bit darker than that. That's what that looks like. And this is the color Bohemian. Now, I don't think I've ever tried lipstick from Anastasia Beverly Hills that I remember anyway. I know I'm always getting different samples of lipsticks that I try, but I don't specifically remember trying anything from their lip line, so I'm excited to get this. The next thing we have is an Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel. And I've not tried their clear brow gel either. I just recently got one in one of the Sephora Favorites kits, and I haven't had a chance to use it. So let's go ahead and pull that out. Okay, so this is like a deluxe size, and that's what the packaging looks like there. Very pretty, silver, sleek. Okay, and that's what the brush on that looks like. Okay, so it's a decent sized brush. I don't do a whole lot with brow products. Well, today I used a little bit of pencil, but I've never really used the brow gels. So I'll be giving this a try to see how it works and if it'll hold my brows in place. So, okay. And we have, looks like one more item in the box. But before that, okay, they put a little slip in here for the next item. This little paper says, a fine palette. To master the Anastasia Beverly Hills Moonchild Glow Kit, we went straight to the master herself. So I guess there's questions on the back that she answered about the palette, like what is a good daytime look I can get with this palette, and some other questions on the back. I'm not going to go through all those. It's quite a bit. But the retail of this next item is $40. Okay. Oh, that's pretty, the packaging. And it's the Anastasia Beverly Hills Moonchild Highlighter Kit. Well, Glow Kit, it says. Let's go ahead and open it up. It just slides right out like that. And the inner packaging kind of matches the outer packaging. Oh, those are pretty. Very pretty. Look at those colors. Look at those highlights. Now, I'm trying to get it close so you can see the actual colors. Now, I'm not sure how much I would wear a purple highlights, but you never know. I guess you could use it depending on the look that you have. But the other four, most definitely, but the purples could also be used, well, any of them really could be used on your eyes as well. So it would double as that. Let me go ahead and see if I can swatch this for you. I'm going to I took the paper off there, so hopefully you can get a better view of that. And let me do a couple of swatches of this. I'm actually going to swatch this purple. That's what it looks like on my finger. Let's see. Well, that's pretty. That's very pretty. Look at that. I just had to kind of see how that looked. That's pretty. You probably could get away with that on the cheek. Maybe mix it with another highlighter to have that little subtle like purple sheen underneath. That's quite pretty. Okay, let's swatch the other purple in here, the Blue Moon. The first one I swatched is called Purple Horseshoe, and this one here is Blue Moon. And it actually looks more silver to me when I put it on my finger, like a silverish blue. Oh, that's pretty too. Look at that. It definitely looks more silver to me. And like I said, these could be mixed with other highlighters or mixed together to kind of create your own unique look. All right. And I'll swatch one that's kind of normal looking, and that's the Blue Ice. I'll do the first one here. And that's what that looks like on my finger there. Actually, this one looks more blue to me on my arm, purplish blue to me on my arm than it does in the palette. These are very, very pretty, very unique. I'm really excited about this. I'm definitely going to be playing around with this to see what I can create. Anyway, guys, that was everything that was in the Allure box for this month. Let me go ahead and add up the value of the box real quick, and I'll give you a total. Okay guys, so I added up the value of the box and I come up with approximately $98 for this box. Maybe a little bit more than that. I had to come up with a value. I had to come up with a value based on the full size for the brow gel and the hair scrub. So I valued these at about $750. With that, I come up with a total value of about $98. Actually a little more, but we'll just round it off to $98. So we got all of this in this month's box for $15, guys. I think it's a really great deal. We got 3 Anastasia Beverly Hills products, the brow gel, the deluxe size brow gel, the full-size highlighter palette, the full-size lipstick, and then we got a full-size moisturizer from First Aid Beauty, plus we got this deluxe size hair scrub from Christophe Robin for $15. So this month's box was really, really, really good. Anyway, guys, if you receive Allure, let me know down in the comments below what you thought about this month's box. If you don't receive it but want some more information, I'll leave that down in the description box below. Anyway, as always, thank you for spending a part of your day with me today. I truly do appreciate it. If you'd hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and give this video a like before you leave, I'd appreciate that as well. And until next time, guys, have an absolutely fabulous day. Take care. Bye-bye.